to slide.
We'll be in Winchester.
Say hi to him, Jason. I think he's going to crawl on you. Oh, where's he going?
He's going to get a diaper.
He is? Do you think he says, I need a change?
No. He's getting a
Jackson,
diaper.
what is he doing? Colin.
Take a picture of it.
Okay. Wow, that's a good one.